if you want to know how to make this, please stick around and I will show you how.
Welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This is FemMNY, and to all the subscribers that's always there, thank you guys for coming back. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we have new uploads. This is actually lavender flowers and in a different color, so this would be part of our next project that I'm going to show you, so we'll incorporate this for our next video. Alright, so with that said, let's start this. So you have your modeling balloon or 260Q balloon. You will stretch this first and we'll inflate this. Put 1, 2, about 2 pumps, and then tie the end. Okay, so you have about a little over 2 fists. Okay, one sticking around there. So now it's time to squeeze your balloon. Make sure it's nice and soft. So after you do that, you will make a pinch and then twist. So about this one right here, 2 fingers, okay? And then you will make another, you want to fold here, pinch and twist. So just a little bigger than the first one that we made, like that. Squeeze it again. So every time you make a twist and fold, you want to squeeze your balloon. So fold again, pinch and twist. You want it the same size as this. You will make 3 of those. Okay, so fold, pinch and twist. So now there's 3. You want to twist this. There. So this is the first balloon that we made, bubble. So like that. So this, then 3. Then you want to make the second layer, pinch and twist again. So the second layer, I'll make it a little bigger than the first one. Okay, first, second, and now you have to make 3 of this here at the bottom again. Squeeze, fold, pinch and twist. So this time I'll make it a little bigger than the first one. You will make 3 of this again. Okay, so there's 1, pinch and twist. There's now 2, pinch, fold, pinch and twist. Now there's 3. You wanna twist this like that and put this on the bottom. It's like that, guys. Okay. So I want to make this in between your thing here, your balloon. Alright, so now we're going to the third layer this time. So again, you want to pinch and then twist. So smaller, a little bigger, and just like this here, smaller, bigger, and it gets bigger and bigger, just like what you see here. So with this, we have 2 260Q balloons on this particular lavender flower. Okay, so again, you want to pinch and then twist. So this time a lot bigger. Okay, so the same thing, you want to pinch and twist. Stick this in here. As you can see, we're at the end. We only end up having 2, so we need another 260Q balloon or modeling balloon to continue this with. So again, another 260Q or modeling balloon. You stretch. Then you want to squeeze your balloon so it's nice and soft, so it won't easily pop on you. So the same thing, you want to make sure that it's the same size as this. So you want to fold, pinch, and then twist. And then the end here, nozzle, I stick it here twice. and then you will attach this here. You splice. There, so now we just have to continue. So the fourth layer, squeeze. You want to fold and make it a little bigger than that last one. Same thing, squeeze, fold. So I noticed that it's not gonna be enough. So what I'm gonna do is cut this off and add some air. Okay, so same thing, fold, pinch and twist. After you do that, I'm gonna twist this together. And then just arrange. And there you go. There goes your lavender. So if you want it longer, you can always continue this on with a different 260Q or modeling balloon if you want to continue and make it taller. Right. Alright, and just like that, ain't that beautiful? So you can add this for your flower bouquet or even your balloon bouquet arrangement. So as I said, I will make this, I will incorporate this for our next video. Please check that out. Ain't that beautiful, guys? There you go, guys. I hope you learned something from this video today. It's simple, easy. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Before we are done, see the tip right here? You will cut this off. Alright, guys, this is it. Ain't that beautiful? This is your balloon, flower balloon. This is lavender flower balloon in a different color. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below and stick around for our comments of the day. Alright, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Bam Bam NY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.